another evening to our channel. Okay, look at Brie playing with a cat like it is called pussy. Ah, what are you laughing? Why did you laugh that? Why? Why did you laugh? Why are you mad? Somebody's cooking our dinner outside. So this is called charcoal, cooking charcoal. And Brie, she wants to cook. Brie, do you want to cook? 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 Okay, so guys, this is our family, and we are cooking outside today because our gas, we don't want to use our gas. Life is getting expensive. See, why are you using outside? Why?
Is that a question for me?
Yeah, that is a question for you.
Because life right now it's kind of expensive, and we are trying to minimize everything that we have, so we don't use the gas because of the money.
And why are you shivering here?
It's cold.
Are you cold? Why do you feel cold?
I don't know. She fears Gilgil.
Hey, put down your hair, your lines.
Why?
They're good.
Thank you.
Look at these ones. They are lumbering Kijiko here outside here.
It's lumbering. Lumbering is happening in social.
Lumbering. Please cooking. She's cooking. Look at her mom, her aunt, and me. Do you want to see me, guys? Comment down there. So, yeah, we are cooking outside today, so we have to make it. When you live in a rural area, in a village area, you can cook outside. It's good. It is cheap. So they're cooking outside.
What are they cooking? What are they cooking? Madress yako inachomeka inaisha yote. Me too. Sende kama jogari.
Somebody wants to eat. She's hungry.
The same.
I don't know. I don't have time. So I don't have watch.
Songa nyuma.
So these are cats. These are pussy.
Utachomeka.
Hey.
Ngapande gongo wapi?
These are friend to Brianna. Our pussy.
Oh my gosh. Brianna, unachomeka hii dress na utai kusikia. Enda babako bebe gongo. Utachomeka hapa. Kichwa ngumu niko nayo.
Kichwa gongo. Ganga.